Circle, a set of points equidistant to a fixed point called the center. Now that we know a circle, we must know the four important parts to a circle: segments, lines, angles and arcs. We have three kinds of segments in the circle: chord, a segment whose endpoints are any 2 points on the circle; diameter, a segment whose endpoints are any 2 points on the circle that passes through the center and is also the longest chord; and finally the radius, or radii in plural form. The endpoints are the center and any point on the circle; it is half the diameter. Moving on to the two kinds of lines on the circle: tangent, a line touching the circle at exactly one point called the point of tangency; secant, a line touching the circle at 2 points. Now moving on to the two kinds of angles in the circle: central, an angle whose vertex is the center of the circle and sides are 2 radii; inscribed, an angle whose vertex is any point on the circle and sides are 2 chords. Finally moving on to the three kinds of arcs on the circle: minor, an arc less than half a circle, less than 180 degrees; semicircle, an arc that measures half a circle, exactly 180 degrees; and major, an arc more than half a circle, more than 180 degrees. Now moving on to the circle measurement: if a radius is 5 inches, the diameter would be 10 inches because the radius is half the diameter. Another one: if the diameter is 11 millimeters, the radius would be 5.5 millimeters. If the central angle is 110 degrees, the intercepted arc would be also 110 degrees because the central angle is equal to the measure of the intercepted arc. Half the measure of the intercepted arc is the measure of the inscribed angle. Twice the inscribed angle is equal to the measure of its intercepted arc.